I'm looking at my buddy Jeremy's 55 Chevy truck. Just brought it in for a minor gas leak. I'm going to try to stand back far enough so you can see it. Windshield visor. This is Jeremy's wife's truck. Pretty nice truck. I'd love to have this. Really, really nice truck. Tilt column. Nice wood bed. Small back glass. This is a 3200, but it's a sharp truck. Let's go on over it real quick. Sure is nice. It's kind of the opposite of what I've done on my truck, where his is white on top of the dash. Mine's I've been calling it seafoam green, but it's real close, and same as the door panels. So really, really nice truck.
As soon as you text me, a guy called me. They're going to try and look at that window and trying to get this place. I was like, damn it.
Okay, well, I just thought I'd show you this real quick, and hope you like it. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you would. I'm at Tim Dixon's at Gas Axe Chop Shop on Facebook. Please look him up. Gas Axe Chop Shop. AXE. Gas Axe Chop Shop on Facebook. 10 Mile, Tennessee. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.